I'm Johnny Garage Johnson, and this is Hardcore Garage.
Forever is the strangest thing. It's shorter than you think.
What's up, watchdog? At least my shoes ain't squeaking now. What do we have back here? What could it be? Why's there gotta be so many cool toys in the world? Alright, let's see what this is. If you didn't see it already. What? Pretty big trailer. But what this is called a Little Tykes Tuggy sandbox. And people make boats out of them. This one has already been converted into a boat, just needs to be redone. Got a nice solid spot there to mount your motor. It has a rail in the middle for tracking. And it is already filled with foam. I'm not sure how well of a job they did. But it's pretty cool. And these things have a lot more room than what you'd think. I am fully sitting and down in it right now. I ain't a very tall person. I can stretch my legs all the way out. But this is going to be cool. Not Little Tykes, it's a step 2. My bad. I'm thinking is next year at Hardcore Takeover, we have boat races up on the pond. So anybody that wants to build one of these things, I think you can build them for less than $500 if you can find one of them boats. Or you could try to make a boat out of something else. So let's say it'll be anything that floats but a boat race. Guys, take it easy. Keep on trucking.